In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable keyboard and mouse activity tracking in Hubstaff. Now, if you're anyone who values privacy, or maybe you're looking to offer your team a more relaxed working environment, this is a great way to adjust those settings to better fit your needs. So let's dive in and explore exactly how to do this. To begin, you'll want to head over to Hubstaff's main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see the Settings tab. It's important to note that you need to have the appropriate permissions to access these settings. So if you're an admin or have the relevant access rights, click on Settings to proceed. Upon entering the Settings menu, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. What you'll want to do next is find and click on Activity and Tracking. This section is crucial as it allows you to control and monitor various aspects of user activity, pivotal for both managing privacy and ensuring the right work environment. Next, locate and click on Activity. This brings you to a page specifically designed for managing how user activities are recorded. It's not uncommon for many managers to overlook this section when adjusting their settings, yet it plays a key role in activity monitoring. The following step is to click on Record Activity. What this setting does is essentially track the keyboard and mouse activities of users, and while this might be useful for some, for others, especially for those concerned with user privacy, it may be better to turn it off. Finally, to disable the tracking, you'll notice a toggle switch option next to Record Activity. Simply toggle this switch off. It's that simple. What this does is it stops the software from recording the keyboard and mouse activities. It's a sleek and straightforward feature designed to give you more control over what is tracked, thus offering an additional layer of comfort and trust for your team. Before wrapping up, always remember that these settings can be adjusted at any time and revisited as your needs or policies change. Regularly reviewing these options ensures that you can maintain the balance between necessary oversight and personal privacy. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully disabled keyboard and mouse activity tracking in Hubstaff. This adjustment not only aligns with respecting user privacy, but also fosters an environment of trust and empowerment among team members. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.